Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study mechanical engineering drawing. Begin by mastering orthographic projection and basic sketching immediately, focusing on front, top, and side views. Learn common line types and dimensioning rules as you draw, and practice reading simple assemblies daily to strengthen visualization. Use a sketchbook and time drills to improve speed and clarity. Stay consistent and review errors to track steady improvement in technical drawing skills. Gather reliable tools such as a quality scale, compass, and 0.5 pencil, and organize a tidy workspace for precise drafting. Learn dimensioning standards and how tolerances affect fit and function to avoid miscommunication with manufacturers. Practice using sectional views and auxiliary projections to expose hidden features and odd angles. Combine hand sketching with CAD practice, so your manual skills and digital workflows set short, focused practice blocks of 25 to 45 minutes with concrete goals like dimensioning or sectioning a part. Reverse engineer simple components to connect theory with practical drawing challenges and build problem-solving skills. Share drawings with classmates or mentors to get targeted feedback, and then revise work to solidify learning. Track progress with a portfolio of dated samples so you can see improvement and identify recurring mistakes to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.